Here's how you can create another TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips. Maybe you want a second account for personal use or to simply manage one of your businesses. Whatever the reason, here's how you can do it. Begin by going on to TikTok and going to your profile by clicking on the icon in the bottom right. Simply go ahead and tap your username right below your profile picture and a menu is going to appear. This menu looks something like this. Go ahead and tap the Add Account button. From here, simply choose your sign up method. This can be either a phone, an email, or a linked platform like Apple. Enter in your birthday, choose a username, and complete the setup. It really is as simple as this. But just like that, once you complete all the steps, your new TikTok account is ready to go. If you have any questions at all in this process, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more TikTok tutorials just like this one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.